Hi guys, so I'm just going to do a quick video on how to direct sow seeds into the garden. First of all, you need your seeds that you're going to sow. I've got my packs open already. I've got my garden bed prepared. I've got any weeds or clumped together earth taken out and broken up. And I am ready to put some seeds down. Here are my seeds. As you can see by the packs, they're lettuce seeds, and as you can see by the seeds in my hand, they're pretty tiny. So these guys don't need a whole lot of dirt covering them. The rule of thumb that I was always taught was to cover the seed with the depth of earth that is as deep as the seed is big. So even at the widest point on these guys, because they're quite flat but they're sort of long, they're still only, you know, a few mil, so they don't need obviously a huge amount of earth covering them. They will grow into reasonable sized plants, but you can always thin them if you plant too many. Direct sowing, that's one of the drawbacks, is you are better off planting more seeds than you need and thinning them out. But the good thing with lettuces is they can handle being transplanted, so we can, when we thin them, we can move the excess plants to somewhere else. So I'm basically just going to sprinkle these guys in the area that I want them to grow. And then I'm going to take some earth and sprinkle the earth over the seeds. Once I've finished putting all my seeds down today, obviously remember where you've planted seeds, and put markers in if you need to. And then you'll want to lastly come along and water all your seeds in. And it is as simple as that. Hope that helps. And thanks for coming and having a watch.